Well, Tree, storm alert weather day, absolutely. Here's the catch, though. A lot of you aren't going to get a drop of rain. Some of you will at different times of the day or even moving into tonight. So hanging out by the pool or doing whatever you have to be doing. Temperature's going to be ramping down the forecast high for today. We're going to call a high of 88 degrees. We'll get up to 86 by 3 p.m., briefly touch 88, go back down to 85 by 6 p.m., 82 by 9 p.m. But notice a chance of showers and thunderstorms really through the evening hours. Now, it's going to be in different places at different times. We'll break that down in our VIPIRCAST coming up in just a second. I want to update you with the latest on the tropics. Tropical storm HANNA getting closer to the Texas coastline, and it looks like this is going to make landfall sometime on Saturday morning as a tropical storm with 65 or 70 mile per hour winds. But it's going to be a huge rainmaker even after it moves onshore. Here are some of the rainfall totals that are being expected in and around Corpus Christi. About 3 to 5 inches of rain, but just to the south, look at that, more than 20 inches of rain expected, maybe moving into Brownsville, Texas, in the extreme southern part of the state. And then as the storm weakens, it's still going to be able to produce 5 to 10 inches of rain on into Mexico. We also have tropical storm Gonzalo, which is way out in the Atlantic. Now it's going to strengthen into a strong tropical storm. Some of the earlier models are showing it strengthening into a Category 1 hurricane, but as it moves into the Caribbean, it's really going to get ripped apart by wind shear, which basically chops the head off of a tropical system, and it's going to have a hard time maintaining any kind of organization at all, possibly even weakening and falling apart completely as it sits in the Caribbean. Our high-res radar right now not showing much out there, so what we're going to see for this afternoon, for the most part, is scattered showers and storms, some of the outlying areas. We're starting to see some of those now north of Murphy, along 75 north of Athens and Spring City, but really nothing in the valley as of yet. We are going to see on VIPIRCAST, though, and we'll show you this in just a second, maybe during the evening, a few heavy thunderstorms moving through the valley during the evening hours. So severe weather outlook showing a very low marginal risk of severe storms today. Heavy rain and lightning certainly, and damaging winds, a very slight chance of that. The risk of damaging winds is 5%. The further north and east you are, the better your chance for seeing some of those storms during the afternoon. So on our satellite and radar, you can see some pretty decent showers well to our east, but nothing really impacting the Tennessee Valley. And it'll be during the afternoon hours where we see some of these outlying scattered showers and thunderstorms taking place, and not much at all in the valley. So chances of storms today, again, only 30%, but that 30%, when one does pop up, it could produce heavy rain, lightning, and damaging winds. So moving into the evening hours, notice how we start to see a little bit of activity percolating in the valley itself, and right on through the evening hours, this gives us some pretty heavy rain right up around Cleveland. Might see 1 or 2 storms in and around Chattanooga, and that'll be taking place really on and off until about 11 o'clock or midnight, and then we'll see everything falling apart. During the overnight, we'll get some showers east of Murphy down into other parts of North Georgia, and then moving into Saturday, we see another nice explosion of scattered thunderstorms in the afternoon. Chance of storms a little bit higher, actually. It'll be 40% chance of storms Saturday afternoon, and then Sunday, high pressure tries to build back in. You're not going to see much, maybe a 20% chance of a few showers during the evening hours of your Sunday. Monday looks like we'll have basically the same kind of weather with just a 20% chance of showers and storms. So spotty afternoon storms today, damaging winds, the biggest threat other than the ever-present threat of heavy rain and lightning. Upper 80s up and down the valley, mid 80s in the higher elevations, and even 82 on the plateau and Altamont. A few evening storms ending overnight 72 degrees. The overnight low will be in the upper 60s and low 70s in the valley, and a storm alert day today, and then we will see not officially a storm alert weather day on Saturday, but still scattered thunderstorms aplenty during the afternoon. Chances go down a bit on Sunday and Monday, being the low 90s, and then 90 degrees on Tuesday. We'll see the rain chances going back up a little bit Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.